Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa Creates, and today we are going to restore these beautiful thrift store gems that I found. I went to the thrift store at my lunch hour at work because I needed a couple frames for a future DIY project and just a couple pictures that I had. And I found the frames right away. And I said, you know what, since I'm here, I might as well shop around, see what else is at the thrift store. And I was walking through the furniture section and I saw these beautiful chairs and stools. And I was like, wow, those are really cool. And as I get closer and I'm like looking at them, like, they're really well made. These look designer. So I looked them up and they are designer. So I have all the history here so I don't forget it. So these chairs are known as the Arkana Safari Lounge chairs by Maurice Burke, designed in the 1960s. And these chairs are described as standout pieces of mid-century modern design. And they range in price between $1,000 to $3,000 a chair, depending on the conditions. And I got 2 chairs plus 2 stools, which I haven't really found too much online, so I think the stools are more rare. And I got all 4 pieces for $200. They're in pretty good shape. They're just a little dusty, so I should probably stop sitting on it. So today I'm just gonna remove all the scuffs, clean them up. Some of the vinyl needs a patch up, so just kind of restore them to their glory.
As you can see, there were some weird stains on the vinyl. The wood was worn out in some areas and just generally scratched, and there was some paint splatters on the wood. One of the chairs had some pretty bad tears in the seat that needed to be patched up. I started by just using a Swiffer and dusting off the chairs. I don't know how long they've been in the thrift store or how, these are from the 60s or 70s, so they were just covered in a lot of dust. To clean the vinyl, I did a test patch on the back of one of the stools in case I ruined it. So I just used warm soapy water and rubbed it in, and then I used a dry towel to remove the excess water. And once that all dried and it didn't ruin the vinyl, I went ahead and I just scrubbed all the chairs and stools down. With the same soapy water, I scrubbed all the legs clean. As you can see, this one had, I believe, is paint. So I just kind of scrubbed away and got all the paint marks off of it, and then just in general cleaning the wood. Now I'm tackling the one chair that has all the rips and tears in it. Luckily, it's just the one chair because this was the most challenging part I found. I was using a curved upholstery needle with some upholstery thread and did a ladder stitch to kind of stitch it up all together. I also used those little scissors and I cut away all that white kind of fibrous fabric part. It was just getting caught and making my stitching look messy. So just by cutting it away, I avoided all that mess. And I apologize for my head being in the way. This was difficult to get the right angle to film and do so I could see, but also you can see. So this was a good compromise for both of us. Using a scratch remover for dark wood and a microfiber cloth, I would pour the scratch remover onto the cloth and then buff it into the wood, and oh boy did this make a difference. This was my first time using a scratch remover and I'm really into it. I should also mention I did test this product out on the legs of one of the stools, like behind in a small spot, just to make sure it does work and it's not going to ruin everything. Once I finished the scratch remover and it was all dry on all 4 pieces, I went in with a furniture polish on a clean microfiber cloth and buffed it in, and this made the wood shine and look brand new. And wow, look how good these turned out. I absolutely love them.
I feel so lucky to have found these chairs. The thrift store gods were in my favor on that day for sure. It was a super easy restoration. They were in fairly good shape, so it took me about 2 days and I absolutely love them. If you like this restoration project and want to see more restoration, DIYs, general crafts, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. I'm Vanessa Creates. I'll see you later. Bye.